Today's project is shadow cats. Supplies you will need are black paper, colored paper, pencil, scissors, and glue. Step 1. Draw the cats. You're going to draw on your black paper, and to make the cat's head/body, you're going to draw an upside down U shape. And then for the ears, you're going to draw 2 triangles. Make sure you draw the cats in all different sizes and shapes. You can add a wiggly tail if you'd like for some more details. Step 2, cut out the cats. Step 3, arrange and glue the cats. And make sure that all your drawn on sides are face down so you don't see them. And put the flat edge of the cat lined up with the flat edge of the paper. Step 4, cut off extra paper. If there's bits of your cat hanging off the edge of the paper, just use your scissors to cut that off.